Well, hello from Southwest Ohio. It's Saturday, August 9th, and I'm out flying 6 Victor, my ASW-15 with Carl Ludoff. Was trying to do the yellow proving ground task, but I couldn't make it, so I've decided I'll try for the green proving ground task. That's shorter in. So we've made lanes Lebanon, Warren County, and now I'm trying to go to Dayton Wright Brothers. It's a beautiful summer day. Cloud bases are about 5,000 feet, and we're flying over Lebanon, and we'll be headed to that cloud to the north here once we gain a little bit more altitude. So it's been a great day. Flying 6 Victor, Cedar Creek Soaring Club.